considering. Almost like a sprinkler went off or something.
Yeah, but those are like fresh. That's really weird.
Like they were exhumed or something.
Yeah.
That is weird. Because I know in the back there's a new grave. They still got the carp over it.
Yeah, and this one's got all kinds of decorations.
Take a picture that has some of those lights in it, and then. Are you getting like a digital copy or printing them?
Of what?
Of all the pictures and stuff.
No, I'm gonna make a poster board too.
Yeah.
There's a
little
lot.
solar lights.
There's a lot of these lights. Maybe that's what people are thinking like are orbs.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You should take a picture that shows the orbs.
I'm on video right now.
Orbs.
And there's another one. There's a whole bunch of them.
So maybe that's what people think are orbs? I don't know.
Yeah, and then they run away because they think it's all.
I feel like a Mythbuster. Myth busted.
Busted. That big stamp.
Need a big busted stamp.
Big metal stamp thing.
Busted.
Wow.
Did he put his funny app on at all?
What is this?
What's left of a
What?
grave? Oh my. That's one of your little stepping stones.
And the grave's all broken.
Yep.
That's great.
Huh. Someone's not gonna be too happy.
No, that's been gone a long time.
That's a good thing to set a haunting rumor.
Oh, it is a grave, but I don't understand. Somebody stuck a thing to remember it by.